Here's a quick video to show you some tips for writing your paper in MLA format. First, you want to go to Insert, and then Page Number, top of page, and then click the one that shows the number over on the side. When you get to the number, click a back arrow on your keyboard, then type your last name and put a space there. So now you got your pages all set. Double click down here in the area and you can start typing. So put your name here, your instructor's name here, the class, and the date. Okay, now go down one more line, click the center button, put your title, and then go back up here, click left justify, tab over one space, after you have written some text, you're going to create an entire paragraph, and the next time that you come to a paragraph, you're going to indent again. So once you get some text in here, you're gonna get that whole area highlighted. And then go up here and click to double space. Okay, and then come down here. Okay, now you got the main idea for that. When you are finished writing your entire paper, you're going to insert a page break. So insert again, page break, and it will jump you down to a new page. Here you're going to type works cited to put your works cited information. So again, you need to be on the home page, center, then left justify, and then copy and paste all of the entries that you have. You could have put them in easy bib. I'll type that for you. And just drop them all here one at a time. You want to then alphabetize them, put from A to Z the capitalization, I'm sorry. Okay, so once you've gotten your works cited entries in here and they're alphabetized, go back to the paragraph area, click on this little button right here to get your paragraph settings. Go down here to special and click hanging. Okay, so you want all of this information to be hanging, so that one also needs to be hanging. Notice how it's the reverse of a regular paragraph. The first line is all the way to the left margin and the rest are indented. These are just a few tips and tricks to help you with formatting your paper. Please contact me at tina.luffman@yc.edu if you have any further help that you need from me, and have a great day.